quote myself, if you speak the truth, you will die. If you lie, you will die. So I've chosen to speak the truth and die peacefully. I want to start by saying that I am particularly impressed with the governor of Enugu State. Because if all this is done in 2 years, we would have been very grateful in Kogi State if the boys' quarters of this building, this one outside there, is constructed in my state. I would have been appreciated my governor. So with what we have seen, honestly speaking, I was in a place yesterday called the Cultural Center, and I appreciated that because it's thinking out of the box. Why I'm particularly impressed this afternoon is Your Excellency's recruitment process in appointing your political appointees. The intellectual sagacity displayed by your Attorney General and the entire lady, honestly speaking, gives me hope that if other governors, and even at the national level, will work on the recruitment process, because I've interacted with some Attorney Generals in some states. This means there's no nepotism. You are not giving capital job to pillars. And maybe the reason behind the successes we are seeing. So please, Your Excellency, maybe you will tell your colleagues in the Nigerian Governors Forum, organize a retreat and teach them how to recruit how to recruit appointees. Square pegs in square holes. Because that is one of our fundamental problems in our state and even at the national level. In the history of this country at the time, a lawyer was the group member of an NPC. You cannot give capital job to tailors. But from their presentation this morning, it shows that your recruitment process is tough. So I encourage those who are discouraged to continue to encourage you, because honestly speaking, I believe that democracy is about development and it's about the people. And from your presentation and what we are saying, that is what is taking place here. Congratulations.